are directions on how to use the simplified login process on an iPad for your students. What you'll do first is from your Wonders page, you're going to go to Manage and Assign. You'll see a drop-down menu to pick Class Details. From that page, what you will see is a list of your students, and you will see your class name and grade level. What you will do is scroll over and hit Edit, and then it will bring up this box, and if you look, there is a title called Simplified Login. All you have to do is click that box, and you have a simplified class icon. You can change that to whatever you would like. And this will help your students identify their class when they log in to Wonders. So go ahead and choose your class icon, and then you're going to hit Save. All right, now your students will be able to log in a different way. Now that you have your simplified login set up, what you will do is you will see a list of your students, and instead of a combination of letters, your students' passwords will be pictures instead, which will, especially for the younger grades, make it a lot easier to log on. So you can go to the right-hand side and view your student's password, and it'll pull up a View Student Password card. You could also print that card if you would like. And this will be your student's password. So Audrey's is 6 Banana Circle. So when she logs in, she just has to remember, she has to find her name and remember 6 Banana Circle. So underneath the View Student Password, there is an option that says Print Password Card. Go ahead and click that. You can do your whole class or just one student at a time. And if you notice on the bottom of that card, it says class, the name, password, and at the very bottom there's a URL code. This is the URL code that you will use to access this content on an iPad or a computer. This can also be printed to send home to parents so that they know how their students can access this content online. You can also find it right here under class details. You have class name, grade level, and then if you'll just copy paste this login URL at the very bottom right here. And it will be a little tricky trying to capture it, but it is possible. I've done it. Okay, here we go. There we go. Go ahead and copy that. And then what you will do is you will, in your browser, you will go ahead and paste that. After you've pasted your URL code into Safari, you will go to the share box at the top of the screen, and you will click Add to Home Screen. When you have clicked Add to Home Screen, you will get a message that pops up like this, and you're going to click Add. And when you go to the home screen on your iPad, there will be an automatic link to Connect Ed that you can use the simplified login for. When students are ready to log on, just click the link and it will bring up the website. Your students will choose their class and there will be a list, and now they will all they have to do is choose their name, and then they will be brought up to this box where they choose their login code, and it will bring up their content. If there are assignments assigned, they can get into that, or they can click on the Reading Writing Workshop book. And here is their home screen in which they can choose different activities to participate in. So the first box with the check mark are assignments if you've assigned work. There's a vocabulary button, and it will give them the words. If they click on the words, then it will give them a picture and an example. There is also Writer's Workspace lessons that they can use. And then games. And this week's reads. So that is how you set up your Simplified login and a way that you can use it on your iPad.